Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sacham Malayala. In this particular video, I think all of you have seen the thumbnail as well as the title. So I am going to discuss about JEE Mains and revised schedule, and as well as application, like how you can correct your application form, and also there are some issues regarding payments, and also I am going to give clarification about each and every one of them. So let's get into the video. For first and foremost, I am like shocked seeing the schedule of the JEE Mains 2021. So I'm happy as well as worried, because happy that your JEE Mains is at last is going to happen, and second thing, I'm worried that there is only 1 day gap between the two sessions. I mean the postponed April session and also postponed May session. So the reason is simple. So if at all they want to extend it to later, like in August end or something, like September, something like that. So only thing is like there may be a chance of third wave hitting India soon. So in that case, if at all third wave comes, and these exams will surely again get postponed. So if that happens, your whole academic year will be wasted, which they don't want to happen. That is the only reason. So they have kept only 1 day gap. So no issues guys, you are working for the 2 years for that particular exam, and you have got a lot of extension, you have got a lot of time till now, and as said earlier, July end is one session. Just think it in a positive way and just move on, and just focus on your preparation. And I am sure that if you can focus on your preparation for the next 14 to 15 days, you can easily crack the exam. So regarding preparation strategy, I will be giving you a video soon. Tomorrow morning you will get for sure. And guys, let's move into the video. First and foremost, if you see, this is the NTA released notice regarding the schedule of the exams. So JEE Mains 2021 third session April will be from application form, that is 6, 7, 8. So today is 7th, till tomorrow you can submit application form for April session, and after 8th you can't give for April session, so you can directly give for May session. And for session 4, which is postponed on for May 2021 postponed exam. So in this session 2 you will be having both the papers, and in session 1 you will be having only one paper, that is BTech paper, JEE Mains paper 1. And last date for application form is 8th July night 11:50 p.m. And when it comes to session 4, that is May postponed exam, last date is 12th July, and date of exams is 20 to 25 July. So you will be having like 20 to 25 means 6 days, 12 slots of exams. And when it comes to May session, you will be here you will be having 27, 28, 29, 30, 31 and 1st, 2nd. Total 7 days, 1 day will be paper 2 and other 6 days will be JEE Mains paper 1. So this is how they have divided they have given the date of exams. And when it comes to download admit card, everything, declaration of result, that will be notified to you later. And they have given you all the details here. Due to limited time, there will be no correction window available for the after the application form closes on 8th July for postponed April session, on 12th July for postponed May session. So you will not be given any chance of recorrecting the form. So before submitting the form of before 8th for April session, before 12th for May session, please check each and every detail whether it is correct or not. If there is a mistake, please edit it as soon as possible before the deadlines. So afterwards you can't edit the application because there is a limited time. And if you have any other clarification related to JEE Mains 2021, you can mail them at jeemains@nta.ac.in. So now here I am at the NTA website, where JEE Mains NTA website. If you see on this total notice boards, what are the current events, everything they have mentioned on the left. And here is what your main thing is, like you can keep on. One important thing is download all the admit cards and download the result cards now itself. So later also you can do, no issues with that. So if you have a storage, that's safe, like that will be really cool, where you have to do the correction in the registration form. So this is the option, first option. After entering here, so this link I will be leaving in the description. After coming here, just click on this. So it will be taking you into this particular interface. If you didn't register till now, so just see here new registration option, right? Click on new registration, and you can scroll down, check this box, click here to proceed, and you can enter all your details. This process I have already explained in previous video, like I have already made this particular video. If you want, I will leave that particular video link in the description, you can use that. And now let me show you, so those who are already registered, how they can correct their application form. Just enter your application number. Now I logged into my application form, that is my dashboard. So just after logging in, just scroll down here, you can see correction in application form, right? So done. So after coming here, please read these 3 instructions. click on I agree and then proceed for correction. If you proceed for correction, so you will see all this data, your data. So now what you have to do is, first and foremost, they asked me whether we can change our category or not. So brother, before that I gave EWS and now I'm not going to get EWS certificate. Can we change to general category? Yes, you can. Just how, like, just see here in the category, just click this and keep it general. If you are previously in general category and you want to shift to OBC or SC or ST or general EWS, no issues. Just click here and go to like OBC NCL. Okay, so this is how you can do about category. Now comes to this particular student already applied April. Now you want to apply for May. What you have to do, just check this box for May. So if we add one more extra session and submit, so after coming to home page, it will ask you to pay the amount. So you have to pay the amount. So this is about exam. So regarding payment issues, I will be talking it later. So now coming to test centers. So many are saying previously when we are in college, we used to keep that exam center maybe near to our college, but we are at homes, right? So we want to change our centers. So no issues. This particular student gave first test center preference as Ongole, right? So now he can change this, like Chittoor, something like that, based on the state. If he is in Telangana now, he can keep Telangana as the first choice based on that. If you want to edit many things, you have to edit everything and then click on submit. Like for example, if you want to change category, if you want to add the session, if you want to change the test preference, make changes in all these three and then go to security pin entering and then submit the form. So this is how you need to take. So if you submit the form in the first time itself, so you will not able to change those things again. If you want to change two or more things, change at once. So I mean, you have to change everything like category, test center preference and sessions like April or May. So based on that, after changing all these only, you need to submit the form. Before that, if you submit, you can't edit it again. Okay. So if you made any mistakes in 10th class details or 12th class details, you can make necessary changes there and you can change your address also. So all these things. And guys, one important thing many people are asking me regarding, so brother, at that time we submitted the undertaking in place of category certificate. So what we can do now? So no issues. There is, see, even though he submitted this certificate, it is particular. So it is exact certificate what we have to submit. He submitted that. So now he got the option called choose file, right? Yes. Now you got an option called uploading the category certificate. So those who kept undertaking in the starting while application of JEE mains, so now you have a chance to keep your category certificate. Please keep that. So you can choose file like choose file and it will be directly taken to your laptop and you can upload the file whatever you required. So upload your exact category certificate. Now you have, whenever you want to change many things, one or more things, change all those at once and click on submit after changing whatever you wanted to change. So don't just submit after each and every step. Okay. So that's it. So guys, that's it about the correction in application form. Now most important thing is here, many people are saying that payment pending issue, UPI payment failed. So guys, don't worry. So last time also many people faced the issue. You will get the refund if your payment is failed. So don't worry, but it takes time. Only one thing I wanted to suggest is use HDFC payment gateway, and what you have to do is, while paying through HDFC payment gateway, don't use UPI. Try to use net banking or debit card, something like that. Don't use UPI. So that's it. So I hope I have cleared all your doubts regarding the JEE Mains correction, JEE Mains schedule and everything. Soon I am going to give you the preparation strategy video. So please stay tuned to that video and do subscribe to Sai Charan Malayala. So chalo then, bye.